Dear students, continuing with our lecture series on named reactions, this is our 22nd lecture, and in this lecture, we will discuss what is Haller-Buer reaction. Haller-Buer reaction is basically the reaction of non-enolizable ketones which are converted in the presence of a strong base into carboxylic amides, and a neutral fragment is formed where the ketonic substrate breaks either from this end or from this end, depending upon that neutral molecule will be formed which is more stable such cases. So as far as mechanism of this Haller-Buer reaction is concerned, in the first step, for example, if we are using sodamide as the strong base, this amide ion will attack the carbonyl and we will get these types of intermediates. And when this forms a carbon oxygen double bond, then instead of NH2, this group is removed from the substrate molecule, and this will form a carboxylic amide derivatives as one of the product. Then this carbonyl form will take up proton from the ammonia, which is ammonia or other protic solvent which is being used, and this will be converted into this neutral fragment. So basically, a non-enolizable ketone breaks through carbon-carbon bond in the presence of strong bases to give us amides and neutral fragments as the products. So some of the examples, for example, this type of bicyclic ketone, which is a sterically hindered ketone in the presence of a strong base like tertiary butoxide. So in the first step, what will happen? This strong base tertiary butoxide will attack this carbonyl and this type of intermediate will, and then this will form a carbon oxygen double bond. This carbon carbon bond will break and we will get these types of esters as the product, and these esters on hydrolysis will give us carboxylic acids as the product. Then, in the second example, these types of benzoquinones, they react with potassium hydroxide as a base. Then that base will attack one of the ketones in such a way that we will get these types of esters as the product with breaking of this carbon-carbon bond between benzene ring and the ketonic ring, and product is formed in 77%. Similarly, in these types of bicyclic ketones, in the presence of a strong base like this one, amino cyclohexane, this will act as a base or a nucleophile which will attack this carbonyl, and we will get these types of carboxylic amides as the product through Haller-Buer reaction. So these are few of the examples of this reaction which are very important. These are the references which have been used for preparing this lecture. Thank you very much.